Hi guys, welcome back to NB Learning. You're watching my channel, and today we are going to discuss about the methods of fitting tube in boiler. Today we discuss that there are how many method from which the tubes are fitted in boiler. First of all, you see on the slide that there are total five method: expanding, beading, flaring, or spilling, bell mouth, or seal welding. So see first of all what is expanding. Hey guys, as you see in this sketch that in expanding, you have seen in the sketch that one is tube and other is tube sheet. When the tube is put in the tube sheet, then tube is expanded with the expanding tool. The expanding tool is inserted inside the tube, and the diameter of the tube is increased. Diameter of tube is increased as much as the tube fit inside the tube hole. You see in the slide, which is very clear, that one side of the tube have less diameter and other side have expanded diameter. And you can see also transition zone. And this is a method to fit the tube in the boiler. I hope you understand that what is expanding. It is, I think, clear from the sketch. So we go to the next. Next is flaring. Flaring is, as you see in the picture, that it will be done with the help of a flaring tool. Actually, it will. In this process, the mouth, or the corner of the tubes are wide open. So these corners are wide open because we have to go for beading. I think from sketch flaring is very clear, and I think there's no need to further explain. This is done with the help of a flaring tool. And next is beading. You see in the picture that first we have expanded the tube, then we have flared the tube. By flaring, we have expanded the uh, expanded the diameter, or you can say that the boundary or corner of the tubes wide. And then with the help of beading tool, we bend this the corner of the tube behind, and you can see that this type of shape is formed after beading. All these things are done due to for the reliability of tube joint. So this was beading, and one is bell mouth. Bell mouth is mostly done in a water tube boiler. And this process is similar to like flaring is done in fire tube boiler, while the bell mouth is done in the water tube boiler. And after the bell mouth, as you know, that beading process is, beading process is waiting for it. And the next one is seal welding. Seal welding, you can see in the picture, it is very clear from picture that what is seal welding. One thing I want to tell you, that there are many manufacturer, and every manufacturer have its own way of working. Some manufacturer first do expanding, then flaring, then beading, and then welding. And some manufacturer do first expanding, then welding, then flaring, then beading. All the manufacturer have their own way of working. So these were the today's topic, and in this topic we have discussed about the different methods or different steps of fitting the tubes in the boiler. Have you seen that first of all is the expanding. Expanding basically is the increase of diameter to fit the tube inside. This is done with the help of expander. And other one is flaring. First is expanding, then flaring. Flaring is clear from picture that it will increase the boundary of the tubes from corner, and after the flaring, beading process is done with the help of a beading tool, and then seal welding, while the bell mouth is the parallel process of flaring in the water tube boiler. And last, I have also tell you that manufacturer have different way of working, and this was we have discussed with the journal way of fitting tubes in the boiler. So guys, this was our topic today, so see you in the next video.